Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Is it the ultimate upgrade or just an incremental refresh with its high price tag? We're breaking it down, the good, the bad and the questionable, from its sleek design and AI tricks to thermal throttling woes and Samsung's sneaky software strategy. So grab a snack, mute your notification and let's get into it. Let's start with design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra refined Samsung's signature aesthetic with a lighter and slimmer frame. The squared-off edges are slightly softened, but this is still a chunky premium slab of glass and metal. The 6.9-inch nice Samsung AMOLED 2X display boasts even thinner bezels and still delivers battery-smooth 120Hz refresh rates. Samsung's marketing screams about the peak brightness hitting 2600 nits, so the best in the market, nothing different from last year though. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra packs a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a chip that sounds fast and initially it is. Everyday performance, snappy. Gaming, smooth. At least for a while. Battery life, excellent, easily a full day, sometimes even more. But here's the issue: despite Samsung boasting about its 40% larger vapor chamber for cooling, stress tests reveal serious thermal throttling. In a 3D Mark GPU test, the S25 Ultra started strong, but within minutes performance plummeted, stabilizing at around 50% of its peak. Translation: extended gaming or intensive tasks will cause noticeable slowdowns. Samsung claims improved cooling, but real tests say otherwise. If you game for hours or push your phone hard, you'll feel the heat. Literally. Now let's talk AI. AI this, AI that. I'm tired. You're not alone. Samsung is going all in on device intelligence with tools designed to make your life easier, or at least more futuristic. For example, you get the AI Eraser. This tool allows you to delete background noises that disturb you. Like for example that one friend that's always talking. Or circle to search. Draw a magic circle around anything and you'll find it. Convenient, very. New, not really. But here's a catch, which is actually kinda sad. Some of these AI features might not remain free. Samsung hasn't clarified if they unlock premium AI tools behind a subscription or not. So enjoy them while they last. Oh, and plot twist. Many of these AI features are also coming to the S24 series via a software update. So if you own last year's Ultra, you might not even need to upgrade at all. Samsung's camera game remains top tier. But is it truly better than last year? Well, let's see. We've got the same 200 megapixel main sensor which delivers absolutely stunning photos. Then we've got a new 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera which brings a noticeable boost for macro photography. And then we've got the same 3x and 5x periscope zoom cameras enabling the 100x zoom. Daylight shots, fantastic. Low light, well, better noise reduction but still aggressive photo processing. Zoom, Samsung still leads, now with even smoother lens transitions. And the controversy is that some improvements are entirely software based, meaning Samsung could bring them to older models, but will they? Probably not. Let's address what Samsung took away from us. No S Pen Bluetooth functions. That's right, no more remote camera shutter, music control or PowerPoint navigation. Samsung claims less than 1% of users relies on this, but for that 1%, including me, it's a major loss. Then, we haven't got a charger in the box, yet again. At this point, we've accepted it, but it's still kinda annoying. Samsung giveth, and Samsung taketh away. Well, what about the humongous elephant in the room? Exactly, the price. At the price of just one kidney, I mean $1,299 or £1,249 in UK, you will buy yourself a nice holiday or an S25 Ultra. That's steep. If you already own an S24 Ultra, the improvement might just not justify an upgrade. And also, the S23 Ultra and even S22 Ultra are still great phones and much cheaper now. The S25 Ultra brings a beautiful design with a bright display, very strong AI features, at least for now, great battery life and a top tier camera system. On the other hand, it also has severe thermal throttling on a heavy use. Many AI features are coming to the S24 series, the S Pen loses its Bluetooth features, and also, of course, the price tag. Final verdict: if you want the best Samsung phone money can buy, the S25 Ultra definitely delivers. But if you already own a recent Galaxy Ultra, you might want to wait. Thanks for watching, that's it with my full review on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe and let me know in the comments. Are you upgrading or sticking with what you've already got? Until next time, stay tech savvy.